Good day, everyone. This is Roblyn Balagat, a discussant of education and technology and business and technology. So, let me explain to you a brief introduction about our topic. Introduction: Educational technology as the effective use of technological tools in learning. As a concept, it is concerned an array of tools such as media, machine, and networking hardware, as well as considering theoretical perspective for their effective application. So, according to the specialists, educational technology can be explained by looking at the two major components of the concept: technology in education and technology of education. So, before that, let's have first the main concept. So, main concept of this topic is meaning of educational technology, technology in education, audio media, visual media, audio-visual media, broadcast, telecommunication media, projected media, technology of education, psychological basis of educational technology, philosophical basis of educational technology, differences between technology of education and technology in education. What is technology in education and what is technology of education? So, education in technology focuses on how we learn about technology. So, the impact of educational in technology is aims to improve student and to provide new opportunities for learning and skill development. But it is not about student because it is also helps teacher to enhance teaching and learning in educational settings. So what is technology of education? So which means by integrating technology into the classroom because educators can create dynamic and interactive learning experiences that cater to different learning styles and improve the overall learning process. Meaning of educational technology. So we have the three different definition or meaning. So the first one of the source of AECT 2008 USA. Educational technology is the study and ethical practice of facilitating learning and improving performance by creating, using, and managing appropriate technological process and resources. The second one, the sources of UNESCO 1974 Global. So, educational technology is defined as a systematic way of designing, carrying out, and evaluating the total process of learning and teaching in terms of specific objectives and employing a combination of human and technical resources to bring about more effective instruction. So, this last one with the source of Wikipedia. Educational technology, sometimes termed EdTech, is the area of technology that deals with facilitating e-learning, which is learning and providing performance by creating, using, and managing appropriate technological process and resources. Technology in education. It is the integration of various technological tools and resources in learning process. Refers to the use of physical devices and equipment to support and enhance learning in educational settings. In this aspect of technology in education, we have five instructional materials. The first one, audio media. The second one, visual media. The third one, audio visual media. Fourth, broadcast telecommunication media. And the last one is projected media. Audio media. So the example here is records and record player, magnetic tape and tape player recorded, compact disc and compact disc player, and the last one, radio program or educational broadcast. So the first one is records and records player. Records refer to flat discs made of vinyl. Record, also known as vinyl records or phonograph. Record player, also known as Sables. The next one is magnetic tape and tape player recorded. Typically made of thin plastic coated with a magnetic materials. So, tape player recorder, widely used in the past for recording but have since been largely replaced by digital media format. The third one is compact disc and compact disc player. So, or CD is an optical storage medium used for storing digital data. A compact disc player or CD player is an electronic device used for playing back CD. So the last one is radio program or educational broadcast. This program are popular form of media for those who prefer to learn through listening rather than reading or watching visual content. Visual media. This can be subdivided into two, namely. So the first one is projected, the second one non-projected, and the last one activity aids. Number one, projected. Projected visual require light source for projection. Example are scene or film. So number two, non-projected visual. The non-projected visual do not require light source. They include three-dimension objective like chalkboard, display boards, maker boards, model. And the last one is activity aids. Field trip, exhibition, demonstration, museum, teaching machine, museum, aquarium. So we have the next one is audiovisual media. Next is audiovisual media. These are instructional materials that have the capacity to provide issues in form of features and audio effect, in form of commentaries on the features simultaneously. Example of media in this category are the television videotape player. Next is the broadcast telecommunication media. Broadcasting allows for one way of passing information across to the audience. However, it allows for some degree of interactivity by using printed materials to accompany the programs and requiring learning to send responses back to the radio teacher. Last in media is projected media. Projected media belong to a group of instructional resources which can only be accessed by means of projecting their content on the screen while using a projector machine, especially designed for the purpose. Technology of education. Also, it is concerned with the study of educational problems and the techniques to be used in solving and teaching learning problems so that this result should be achieved. Techniques of curriculum planning, transacting, and evaluating also come under technology of education. In technology of education, we use derived from psychology of learning. Discipline includes in technology of education. Technology of education is a component of educational technology that is involved in the use of system approach to promote high quality education. Techniques and methodologies of the teaching learning process. This is needed, the software aspect of educational technology. Aspect of technology of education. It means evolution in education and differences that have developed in the educational system. All forms or methods and strategies. Educational theories in psychology, philosophy. Discipline in the technology of education refers to the systematic in teaching and learning that involves the study and application of various fields such as sociology of education, philosophy of education, psychology of education, and communication technology. It is encompassed the method and strategy used to educate individuals and improve student learning outcomes through the of different disciplinary perspectives. In aspect, the evolution of technology in education reflects the continuous advancement and integration of new technologies. Psychological basis of educational technology. So the works of V.F. Skinner in the production of the teaching machine led to massive involvement of educational technologies in the production of more sophisticated teaching machine. Teaching machine, the instructional format used in teaching machine, became known as programmed instructional (PI), and this new technology became a popular subject of educational research and development by the late of 1950s. Philosophical basis of educational technology. It can also be defined as a systematic and scientific approach to identification of educational problems using human and non-human elements in the designing, planning, implementing, and evaluating the solution strategies aimed to be a better performance of educational system. So we have a differences between technology of education and technology in education. In areas, we have a basis, approach, origin, examples, rotation, requirement, type, and last is goals. In technology in education, and also we have the technology of education. So technology in education, from the basis, it is based on the principle of physical sciences or engineering sciences. In the basis of technology of education, it is based on child psychology, age, ability, and mental level. In approach, we have the technology in education. Its approach is identified as a hardware approach. The approach of technology of education is its approach is identified as software approach. So the origin of technology in education. Its origin lie in the application of physical sciences of engineering to education. In the origin of technology of education, its origin lies in the application of behavior sciences to the problem. And the examples in technology in education, we have a TV, radio, slide projector, computer, OHP. Let's proceed to our second topic, which is use of technology in business. What is technology, and why is technology makes our work our life easy? It makes our works or lives easier by simplifying processes, increasing productivity, saving time, and improving communication and access to information. So, what is business? Business typically aim to meet the needs and demands of customers in order to operate the revenue and sustain operation. Use of technology in business: production, marketing, communication, business over internet, business globalization, human resource management, secure business data and information, and last is research and development. So production. By incorporating technology into production processes, business can increase productivity, reduce costs, and stay competitive in the market. Marketing. When we say marketing, it is the strategies and technique used by companies to promote their products and services through various digital channels and platforms and the other website. Communication. In the use of technology in business refers to the exchange of information and data through electronic devices and application. Example, video conferencing and collaboration among employees. Business over internet. We have e-business, conducting business over the internet using various digital technologies. This include online shopping, online banking, e-banking, e-commerce, and other online business transactions and activities. Business globalization. It is also technology has revolutionized the way business operate on a global scale by making communication and collaboration easier than ever before. Human resources management involves utilizing various technological tools and systems to streamline HR processes. We have payroll. It's a process of calculating and distributing wage to employees for their work. This includes calculating salaries, deduction, and any additional compensation. We have also the secure business data. Information can be stored in various places. Research and development to know customer want. Knowing what customer want in research and development is essential for creating successful product or service that meet their needs and preference. Also, we are familiar that customer is always right. Advantage also refer to benefits, perks, or favorable circumstances gained by utilizing technology in business. The use of technology in business can help in increasing production efficiency, improving communication within the organization and with clients, enhancing human resource management, facilitating scalability, saving time, transforming business processes, promoting better organization and clients' relationship, and fostering overall business development. This advantage ultimately lead to increased productivity, profitability, and success for the business. If we have advantage, we have also the disadvantage. So, the word being referred to appears to be luxury. A luxury is an expensive or indulgent item or service that is not considered a necessity. In a business context, having luxury items or services can be a disadvantage because they are risky investment, may act as distraction at work, incur high maintenance costs, make employees lazy or entitled, and negatively affect workplace relationship due to perceived favoritism. So, indulging in luxuries in a business setting may detract from productivity and efficiency, ultimately hindering the success of the company.